Hi everyone. In this short video, we are going to see how IDIRA AI Identity Broker can be leveraged upon for privilege access for your AI agent. In this architecture, I'm using Snowflake as my target MCP server. And then for AI agent, I'm using Claude. And for my human IDP, I'm using Microsoft Entra ID. So let's go to our Claude. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the settings. We are gonna go to the connectors. In the connectors, we are going to use this specific connector. So this specific connector, what's gonna happen? The entire access to Snowflake is gonna happen via IDIRA, Identity Broker. I will simply click on a connect button. So within a couple of seconds, it's gonna redirect me to IDIRA, Identity Broker. I'm going to type as my user. This user is a read-write user. I'll click on the next button. So it's gonna redirect me to my Entra ID. I'm just authenticating. So once the authentication goes through, then it's gonna redirect me to Snowflake. And Snowflake is also integrated with my Entra ID. I'll click on sign in using my corporate credentials. Gonna click on test 2. So once this entire authentication goes through, then it's going to redirect us back to Claude and we should be able to see the connector is connected. So now we can see it is connected. What I will do, I will open a new chat. So here you can see it is connected. Can you please connect to Snowflake, list down all the users and also show which user I'm using to connect to Snowflake. So here we are able to see we are connected to Snowflake. We are connecting as a test to, and these are all the different users. So I will say, can you please perform some write action on the table we have access to? In the meanwhile, what we will do, we'll log in as a administrator user because I want to show you all the audit information as well. Let me open the URL again. Okay, so we are able to see it has added one of the random queue, one of the random row. So what I'll do, I'll simply sign out and we are going to log in as the administrator. So it's going to send me the code by email. Let me click on continue with authentication. Authentication is successful. Then once we come to the audit and report, what we will do, we'll simply select a service name called Secure AI Agents. Then we are going to look into some of the events. So here in this event, if you see, this is the event name. This was the user which was trying to query, and this is the user ID and so on. If I click on a service data, so this is the agent name and agent ID is assigned by IDIRA for this specific MCP server access. This is what my what was my target MCP server. And if you remember, this is what we were trying to do to insert some information into the table. And we are going to look into one more query. If I go to the service data, so this is what we were trying to query as well. So this is how this entire user experience as well as entire privilege access is going to look like. So thanks a lot, everyone, for watching this short video.